Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to open a paysafe account. Paysafe is a leading online payment provider that allows you to make secure and convenient payments to merchants all over the world. It's a great option for people who don't have a credit card or who want to keep their financial information private. In this video, I'll cover the following topics. What is Paysafe? How to create a Paysafe account. How to add funds to your Paysafe account. How to use your Paysafe account to make payments. Common questions about Paysafe. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a leading online payment provider that allows you to make secure and convenient payments to merchants all over the world. It's a great option for people who don't have a credit card or who want to keep their financial information private. Paysafe offers a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, and prepaid cards. You can use your Paysafe account to make purchases online, in-store, or over the phone. How to create a Paysafe account. Creating a Paysafe account is easy and free. Just follow these steps. Go to the Paysafe website and click on the Create an Account button. Enter your personal information, such as your name, email address, and date of birth. Create a password for your account. Agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button. Once you have created your account, you will be able to log in and start using Paysafe. How to add funds to your Paysafe account. There are a few different ways to add funds to your Paysafe account. Credit card, you can add funds to your Paysafe account using a credit card. Debit card, you can add funds to your Paysafe account using a debit card. Bank transfer, you can add funds to your Paysafe account using a bank transfer. Prepaid card, you can add funds to your Paysafe account using a prepaid card. Once you have added funds to your account, you will be able to use them to make payments. How to use your Paysafe account to make payments. There are a few different ways to use your Paysafe account to make payments. Online, you can use your Paysafe account to make payments on websites that accept Paysafe as a payment method. In-store, you can use your Paysafe account to make payments in stores that accept Paysafe as a payment method. Over the phone, you can use your Paysafe account to make payments over the phone. When you make a payment with Paysafe, you will be asked to enter your Paysafe email address and password. You will also be asked to enter the amount of the payment. Common questions about Paysafe. Is Paysafe safe? Yes, Paysafe is a safe and secure payment method. Paysafe uses the latest encryption technology to protect your personal information. How can I contact Paysafe customer support? You can contact Paysafe customer support by phone, email, or live chat. What are the fees associated with Paysafe? There are no fees associated with creating a Paysafe account or adding funds to your account. However, there may be fees associated with using your Paysafe account to make payments. I hope this video has helped you learn how to open a Paysafe account and how to use it to make payments. Paysafe is a great option for people who want a safe and convenient way to make online payments. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance.